Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Honorable Javian, the Phenomena Director of Satras Program Madam Bidar, Civil Melatizer, and Respect my parents and my beloved family. I want to explain the mind mapping that is the response of Meccan society of to the preaching of Prophet Muhammad. The Quraysh opposition to the preaching of Prophet Muhammad. In general, the Quraysh disbelievers did not like the presence of Islam in their society. The leader began to spread false information about the teaching of Prophet Muhammad. And many people were influenced by these slanders. One of the Quraysh leaders who always tried to block the Prophet preaching, Abu Lahab, he started to incite the Quraysh people to hate Prophet Muhammad and Islam. And Prophet and Islam, even Abu Talib, the Prophet uncle who had raised and cared for him since childhood, was pressured to stop the Prophet from spreading Islam. Abu Talib received threats and was forced to obey the demands of the Quraysh leader. At one time, Abu Talib tried to persuade the Prophet Muhammad to stop preaching because many Quraysh leaders threatened him if the could not let him go the Prophet to stop. However, the Prophet refused them and said, "O my uncle, by Allah, if the sun were placed on my right and the moon on my left, I will never stop preaching until Allah grants me victory or perish in the struggle." Hearing the Prophet's words, story determination to continuous mission, Abu Talib called the little except fully left the matter to Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad, he only advised to Prophet to be careful in spreading Islam and to try to avoid threats from the Quraysh people. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.